inside stuff.
That's so goofy.
And like all this stuff right
I pray you didn't work. I pray you didn't work. Keep them until I get in trouble.
Okay. Let me go look at that. Thank you.
We are at Toyota. We have dropped off Camille. It's just time for her checkup today. She got a checkup last week, y'all. I know, but it's Camille. You know, I do anything for her. So, but if you spend more than $500, you get this. We excited. We excited about the baby. We're gonna name her. We're gonna name. What's her name? What's her name? Snow. Perfect. It's cold outside. She white. Snow. We're gonna drive Snow for a day, and you already know the thumbnail gonna be me in front of it. Clickbait, but it's okay though. Oh, we're gonna drive for a day. She's precious. All right, I'm gonna meet my mom at the crib. Meet my mom at the crib. I gotta do some editing, but okay, I'll follow you. It's right there. Oh, I'm making so much noise on this camera. Y'all, oh, she fancy. Oh, look, did you see that? Oh, okay, I gotta get out of the way. Wait, what? I didn't get no lessons on how to, wait, what the fuck? How do you, wait, the U-car. Oh, I'm a stalker now. Maybe it'll be over here in the window. What is it?
The 3-tier thing.
Oh, the thing you showed me? Yeah. Oh, right there. We're looking for something for my grandma's party on the 29th. She's having an NFL party. And she wants black. Bam. Everywhere. Get you one. Get you one. But then, I want to read this. Has anybody read this yet? Does anybody have this book I can borrow? Let me know. We got the goods.
Your total is $44.79.
Y'all, I just found out that the freaking car can charge your phone. Bow.
Yeah, it's white.
Let me show y'all. Well, I'm on the phone, but look, my phone is charging.
$17.49.
What the heck? All right, waiting on Sierra to come out of the house right now. We're going to IHOP for Sierra's birthday breakfast, I think, and then later on today we shall be going to my uncle's house. I'll probably have my car by then. But that's what we're doing. But we're enjoying this car as of right now because, well, look, oh, it's charging my phone right there, like I showed y'all earlier. Got, well, Sam Smith playing right now because that's like, got the Bluetooth, and then all these controls on the thing. They got, oh, what's this? Oh, this is lane assist. What? Made to Lowe's, looking for a little circle wooden cutout for the table for the party that she could put some juice drinks on. And y'all, my car, well, my rental car for today charges my phone. What in the world? What is this life? What is this life we live? Don't touch that. Don't touch that. Just go germs. That's just disgusting. That is disgusting. She got all the germs and she's just touching everything. Touching everything. Oh, is this a little workshop thing? What you know, fam?
I'm gonna make one of these. I use like synagogue.
Can I do one too?
You gotta put the apron on.
I'm not in college, but can I do one too?
No. No. Go back. Goes like this. Okay. See what me?
Are we sure this is for kids?
Well, at least you can use a hammer. I've seen adults that can't use hammers. This is the one that needs to be built and she can't use a hammer.
Oh yeah. That's fine.
Tracy, thank you so much.
We got to do our little thing. We got our little DIY aprons from the back. It actually, you know, fits this Sherpa kind of nice. Got the right amount coming at the bottom. Facts. Okay.
I'll wear this to Kindle out.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, well, I guess I gotta find me a circle somewhere.
Now we sell the circle already cut out.
Really?
Yeah. Next all over.
The next on the
19.
19. So I went and got the
I think I got an ear infection.
3-tier thing for
For the fruit. So long and that burger is coming. I'm so sorry. Did y'all need anything else?
Let me take your fruit, right?
Y'all need anything else?
No, baby.
No refills or anything?
Can I get a to-go box?
So we're in the. Don't worry, this car is fine. I always have car trouble, but it's not me this time. It's this car. We giving this car a jump. It's my cousin's car. Well, my aunt's car really, but my cousin driving it. And when it was on the phone with Quana, she said, "Why you turn the car off?" Cause I thought that's how you use it. So we giving her a jump. We gotta go somewhere else. Then we gotta turn the car back in. Oh, we might have to. Well, it's only 1:47. We might can go to Verizon before we turn the car back in.
Yeah.
Cause they close at 3. I gotta leave my foot on the gas cause the hybrid and when you in park, it don't like go. Did it come to charge me? Give me a charger for it? So they gonna give me a charger for it? I didn't expect that. Y'all know all the places got a different rules, or can you film in or can you not? I don't know. We're just gonna keep filming until I get in trouble. Usually I never get in trouble because nobody wants to say anything, but we'll see. We back and we back and we back and we back. I didn't. We about to be cold and we cold and we cold and we cold. Oh no, they was warm in here. What they was doing? It's warm in there. She is so dirty. Oh my gosh, getting into.
You know what? You need to take her to that place to do a detail clean where they clean the carpet and everything.
Where at?
It's in Winston.
How much is it? How much is it? Cause I saved some money on my car insurance, so I need.
Your car insurance. Oh, yo, what's the name? Yeah. So
Oh, I put my keys in my purse.
They would clean like all the inside stuff.
That's so
right here.
goofy.
And like all this stuff right.
You know, it wouldn't be a vlog with my mother if we didn't go to Walmart. I got my keys back. We got my baby back. It's kind of cold out here.
I'm gonna fix that.
Oh, when we got to Toyota, the dude said that it was snowing all around us. I said I need something. Mom said, "You want to get it and go to Walmart?" I said, "Yeah." We had a whole conversation about it. Oh yeah, cause my ears hurting, y'all. I got some emergency. Oh, y'all can't see. I got some emergency and I got some earache drops. I just opened the box. That's why it looks like that. It was funny. That girl was like, "Gonna need a oh, it's not that big." No, no, no. Get this size, yo. We came to Walmart for 2 things. Well, I came for 1 thing, but I still picked up 2 things. Then I remember we need that thing. Then I also remember we need that thing. Go.
I'm gonna make grandma a cake for her birthday.
This yours.
Oh yeah, it's recorded.
People really go around the corner.
Yo, it's snowing. I don't know if y'all can see, but it is. It's cold out here. Oh yeah, Camille started. Oh, I prayed on it and it worked. I prayed on it and it worked. I prayed and it worked. I prayed and it worked. I prayed and it worked. It's on my nose and stuff. Ooh, child. It's too much. It's too much. Oh, I'm sorry.
What I mean?
I don't know. It's never done that before.
Your car was on
Yeah.
and it was locked.
It's never done that before.